Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we are here to announce the winner of the Milwaukee M12 Gen 2 Fuel Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. This is an awesome kit. I know a lot of people got entered into this. Thank you for your support. This kit is going to be awesome and will be delivered as a combo kit with the bag, the charger, the battery shown here, the drill, and the impact driver. You know, a lot of you guys got in and said, hey, I'd use it for a million different things. I wish we could give one of these away to everyone, but if you don't win, I would definitely check these out. They are great performers. Now, there was a lot of entries to go through, not only socially and Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. But with that, we had a lot to go through, a lot to put together. It was interesting, some of the comments. I know I was replying in the beginning. Some of you guys really made me laugh. I have to say that the winner made me laugh also, and feel free to give it back to me here. The winner of this is Mike Colvin. He works at a Nissan dealership. I'm sorry you work at a Nissan dealership. I'm sure these will come in handy for you as you're probably working on cars day in and day out. I know that's a Nissan joke. I'm a Ford guy for driving, but I guess your comeback would be is at least I'm not at a Ford dealership, right? Whatever. So you have to get back to us in 24 hours or it's going to go to an alternate, okay? So webmaster@workshopaddict.com, email us there. Now we have another tool bucket list giveaway coming up very soon. That one's going to end on March 15th. I'm going to announce it within the next couple days. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay into that giveaway scene. We also have a lot of tool reviews and projects that are going on. Make sure you give us a like on this video. Also, if you want to, just to have some fun, comment below on what kind of car you drive. Nothing big, and that'll get you into the next tool bucket list giveaway. A little bit of a surprise if you watch the whole video. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.